Welcome to WORxK Global News, bringing you today's top insights on leadership, innovation, and the evolving workplace. In career advice, how AI is changing the way recruiters read your resume, explores how artificial intelligence is transforming recruitment. The article highlights how algorithms now scan resumes for keywords, formatting, and career relevance, urging job seekers to optimize content for both human and AI readers. Over in workforce development, the next generation of remote work, emerging trends and technologies, examines how digital innovation is redefining flexibility. From virtual reality collaboration tools to AI-driven productivity trackers, the future of remote work is moving toward personalization and smarter performance management. In diversity and inclusion, how neurodiversity is expanding the definition of workplace diversity shines a light on how organizations are rethinking inclusion by embracing neurodivergent talent. Companies are learning that innovation thrives when different ways of thinking are welcomed and supported. Under innovation and technology, innovation redefines how startups achieve rapid growth, explores how new founders are leveraging lane experimentation, automation, and global collaboration to scale faster than ever before. For strategic leadership, how to align your team around a strategy people actually believe in uncovers practical ways leaders can turn vision into action through shared purpose, transparency, and consistent communication. In global trends and politics, airlines warn flight cancellations to continue even after shutdown reports on the ripple effects of operational disruptions, raising concerns about infrastructure resilience in the travel industry. And finally, in resiliency, why emotional resilience matters more in hybrid work environments emphasizes how adaptability and emotional intelligence have become essential workplace skills as professionals navigate ongoing change. For more stories, visit WORxGlobalNews.com.